Yeah, alright, no worries. Well, I've been told it's an hour and 40 game, so...
We got told hour 20.
Well...
Hour and 40?
That's what he's just said earlier.
How long's it been now?
About just under an hour.
I thought he said hour 20.
Has it been just under an hour?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, that's blown.
Well, they've just come up, and they've been 20 minutes up there.
This is top part.
What's up with it?
Carrying it on.
Let's have a look. Pin what's come out.
There's me whacking back in.
What is it? Is it Jeff's? Is it one at sights?
No,
No, is it? No, the gun. Is it? Is it sight gun or is it your gun?
no, my gun.
What to do? Go back to the safe zone.
Yeah.
Right, have a look at the safe zone. Get somebody to have a look at it. Because Jeff or somebody will be there and they'll have a quick look, alright? Yeah. Straight down here, follow it down. In fact,
I've got a few of it, it's just I've stood there for ages thinking. We won all those big annies in here. Yep.
come on, walk down with me and at least you won't get shot then. I don't know why that's come undone then.
Yeah, it's a bit.
That's a fairly mild.
Just looked at it and then didn't want to fire it more
Yeah.
while it's like actually. I mean,
Alright. Yeah, just follow the track all the way around and they'll, somebody should be there and they'll have a look at it, alright.
Oh, I lost my teeth for a minute.
Come on.
This is where I stand here and get shot by them.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm just going to remove this other than randomly shooting, just to...
You were too, okay? It's all well and good me fucking tackling 2 or 3 unless everyone's getting him on the back.
I know,
There's no fucking point.
No. Well, I'll just say everybody's aiming up this way.
Yeah.
So, and everybody's looking this way. So really what I would do, go out back.
Yeah, we need 2 or 3 people here. Just keep hitting them, hitting them, and medicing while everyone else is up. Guys, just leave have 2 people here, or 3 people here. Just keep full auto, medic, while everyone else gets round the back. Just keep them looking this way while everyone gets round the back. Right, so that's one. Any more takers? Yeah. Yeah, but two or three of us just keep them looking this way, or everyone else gets round the back.
Right.
Just go a bit further. Yeah.
Best thing is you don't even have to go that way. You can go this way and just go round this way round.
Right.
They probably lost an oath.
So one of them's gone back because his gun's actual barrels come off at fucking rail. So
Come on, get in the fucking. Smash them in, you're back in, go on.
You're back in.
Jeff, Jeff,
Who's that behind us?
Nobody put the knife away, did Sorry guys,
do you know what I would do if I were you? Go down, get a couple of your ear and rest here, go all the way around back because everyone's looking this way. You know,
with flips every time, you end up round the sides and then everyone moves to the side and no one pushes forward and then they just keep moving round. So unless you've got the right numbers, it's not going to happen.
you got some in.
Or if they got in there and the people didn't come up early.
Yeah, but you got something woods here. What coming up?
How come they're not here? They've been here to fucking ages.
Some of them have already gone to the base.
Like him, you got him here.
Oh yeah,
Good shot that like.
he's just sat there.
When in doubt, colour the cut in.
That yellow guy right there.
Do they have unlimited grease spot?
What happened to her? I don't know.
On this one they just have 2 lives, don't they?
Fucking bullshit, they've got 2 knives.
Bullshit. We've been killing
We've been killing like, there's one
just
dude,
keep spawning back in.
there's some geezer with a white mask. I know I've hit twice.
Oh, I
He
hit
makes
him.
a nice
Yeah,
loud
but-
hit and puts his hand up, but it's medicing back in.
No, you're alright.
Yeah.
You're always getting hit with some spot you on you, I always mix it up with.
Hi.
I'm determined to kill us.
Trying to blow it up. And
Aye,
HP a good
trying
one.
to blow it up
You
and
got,
then
you got an
HP.
11 in it. Shoot it. If it moves, shoot it.
What colour are you?
Oh, you fucking wanker!
Straight in the neck, mate.
Ooh.
Free fire. Need to get yourself a dead rag on your head.
I'll ask Jeff. Why, what's Damo say? Is he here?
No. It was, hold these two,
Yeah.
an hour and 15
Yeah.
from whenever the start was, but obviously I don't know because I was up at the fucking
I don't know, because I were up at Finger, then Jeff just turned around to me and go, go you make your way up to the sniper point. I'm like, okay.
That's what I mean.
So,
What time is it?
what time did you come out?
Well, what time's lunch finished? Lunch normally finishes 1, doesn't it?
Yeah. Should have
We've done
been,
it then.
yeah.
Yeah. No.
Where's Demo?
Don't know. What?
Damo's back down safe zone, players are in there.
Hang on, can't you get in? What? It's on it, it's off them.
No. Yeah. It's because they've fucking got us down there and everyone's coming reinforced here.
I don't know what's going off today.
I don't.
Andy!
There you go.
Back to safe zone.
Yeah, alright.
For fuck's sake, I'm going to start making it so simple for you all.
Go on! That's it!
God, I'm right sweaty.
Proper.
Go on. Dan. You alright, Emma?
Yeah, I got a few. On the back, so I was like, I got you. I prefer this one to your other one.
Yeah. It's a lot lighter as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, God,
It's hot, isn't it? Had people complaining, that was funny.
what?
How come they've come back here? Like, we got said 20 minutes. Damo's just said 15. Oh, fucking hell. Alright. What happened,
I've
Dave?
lost my groove. Where are